Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 26th of August 2021 Shift 1 question. Question number 1. Sum of an infinite GP with first term A and common ratio R is 15 and the sum of the square of the term of the same GP is 150. The sum of an infinite GP with first term A and common ratio R square is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of APGP and it's also a memory based question. Some data may be changed but the remaining question is unchanged. So let's try to solve this. So let's suppose that is A plus AR plus AR square is the first GP, and here that is given 15 is the first term A and the common ratio R is first term is 15. So A by 1 minus R, sum of this GP is equal to 15. So this is our equation 1, and the second GP is A square plus A square R square plus A4 R4 plus dot dot dot, and sum of this GP A square by 1 minus R square, that is equal to 150. This is equation 2. So now simplifying this one, so it become A by 1 minus R into A by 1 plus R, that is equal to 150. And we know the value of this this one is from 1, that is 15 into A by 1 plus R, that is equal to 150 from 1. So from 1. So now A by 1 minus 1 plus R is equal to what? 10. So this is equation 3. So now dividing equation 1 and 3. So 1 divide 3, we get 1 plus R divide 1 minus R is equal to 15 by 10. So that implies 1 plus R by 1 minus R is equal to 3 by 2. So now this one is equal to that implies 2 plus 2R is equal to 3 minus 3R. So here therefore 5R is equal to 1 and R is equal to 1 by 5. So here we get the value of R. Now putting R is equal to 1 by 5 in 1 we get. So now from 1 we get, so from 1 A by 1 minus R is equal to 15. That implies putting the value R is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore A by 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 15. And that implies A is equal to 12. So we calculated the value A and R. So now this GP, so we should calculate the sum of this GP, that is A is by R square. So sum of this GP A by 1 minus R square, A by 1 minus R square, that is equal to 12 by 1 minus 1 by 25, that is equal to 25 by 2. So it is our required solution. You should calculate the value of the GP whose first term is a, and the common sum of this is GP whose first term is a and the common ratio is R square. So now we reached, and our right option is option 1 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 1. Now moving to question 2. Now question 2 tells us if 1 plus x whole 20 is expanded in the form of r is equal to 0 to 20, 20 cr x to the power r, then the value of r is equal to 0 to 20 r square 20 cr is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of binomial theorem, and it's also a memory based question. Question is JEE Mains Shift 1, 26th of August 2021. So at first we know 1 plus x whole 20, if we expanded this, that is equal to, we get r equal to 0 to 20 cr x to the power r. So now s is equal to what? S is equal to r is equal to 0 to 20 r square, this one r square 20 cr. So now we expand this one, so we get r is equal to 0 to 20 r into r minus 1 plus r, this one is equal into 20 cr. So now expanded 20 cr. So when we expand 20 cr, we become 20 by r into 19 cr minus 1. So now putting this one, so here we get r is equal to 0 to 20 r into r minus 1 plus r 20 cr plus summation r is equal to 0 to 20 r into it is r into 20 cr. So now when we take r is equal to 2 to 20, so now this one become r is equal to 2 to 20 r into r minus 1 20 by r into 19 by r minus 1 into 18 c r minus 2 plus this one become 20 by r 19 by r minus 1 into 18 c r. So this one is equal to, we may write 20 when we algebraic some numeric outside taken 19 summation of r is equal to 2 to 18 r is equal to 2 to 20, r is equal to 2 to 20 18 c r minus 2 bracket closed. Here we get 20 into r is equal to 1 to 20 19 c r minus 1. Now this one equal to, we may write 20 into 19 into 2 to the power 18 plus 20 into 2 to the power 19. So now this one is equal to, we may write 22, that is equal to 190 into, we make answer options type making, so answer, so it is 2 to the power 19 and this one become 20 into 2 to the power 19. Now this one is equal to what? 90 plus 20, that is equal to 210 into 2 to the power 19. So now 1 2 is getting off from this, so this one become 105 into 2 to the power 20. So let's check this option. So option 1 is our correct choice, 2 to the power 20 into 105. So this is our required solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. So this is the our solution, and our option is option 1. Now moving to question 3. Now question 3 tells that if probability of independent event A and B are PA is equal to small p and PB is equal to 2p, and probability of exactly one of A and B is 5/3, then the value of P is 4. Options are given. So this is the question in the house of probability, and it's also memory based question. Question is JEE Mains Shift 1, 26th of August 2021 question, which is recently previous day happened, and just calculate this one. So it is just happened today. Sorry, today is 26th. So just data maybe changes, but as it is data is collected from the student. So now we know from the probability that is P A intersection B is equal to PA into PB. So now at first here some draw picture with draw applying Venn diagram. This is event A and this is event B. So now if this is the occurring event of event A and this one is event B, so it is A and it is B. So now from this picture we are applying Venn diagram. We may write PA exactly PAB, that is PA plus PB minus up to PA intersection B. But PA and PB is given here, that is PA is equal to 2 and PB is equal to 2P, and this one is exactly one probability is given also 5/9. So this one is also given, so we may write 5/9 is equal to what? P small p plus 2p, and this one we may write twice p. At first this one is small p, we just expand this PA into PB. So this one is 3p minus this is 2 into small p into 2 into 2 small p. So this is 3p minus 4 small p square. So now when we calculate this one become 5 minus 27 small p minus, and then it is plus 36, and after interchanging that is equal to 0. So let's try the middle term, and the value is 3p minus 1, 12p minus 5, that is equal to 0. So now small p is 2 value exactly 1/3 and 5/12. But these two values are acceptable, but here one value is given in the option, that is 1/3. So option 2 is our correct choice, but all the two values are true, and it is exact value, as all the values are positive. So here are the three. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.